Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your audio into a text without installing any external program on Windows 10. If you want to convert your audio into a text, you can do it easily. So let's start. For that, first of all, open a notepad and keep it here. I'll tell you why do we need this notepad, because when we are going to start talking, it will be converted to the text and it will be written in this notepad, which will be our active notepad at that time. So now open our audio tool, which you can open using Windows button and H is the shortcut for that on Windows 10. So Windows and H. Now this is opened. Click this listening or microphone button and start speaking. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Solutions. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You see, this is how it will convert your audio into actual text. Sometimes when you press the Windows button and H key, if you are using it first time, it will ask you to initialize in the settings. In that case, you just click on it, it will take you to the settings and you have to just initialize that one, and that's how you can start using this audio tool, which is already inbuilt in the Windows 10, which you have to just use it using this Windows and H button. Friends, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.